She did not come from a background of fame, yet something about her was always impossible to ignore. With a powerful mix of confidence, elegance, and commanding screen presence, Serenay Sarıkaya didn't simply enter Turkish entertainment. She built her own space, shaping one of the most influential and daring acting journeys of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on July 1st, 1992, in Ankara, Turkey, Serenay Sarıkaya's journey began far from the glamour of television stardom. From an early age, she stood out for her ambition and self-assurance. Her first major breakthrough came in 2010 when she was crowned Miss Turkey, an experience that introduced her to the public eye and opened the doors to the entertainment industry. Rather than allowing beauty titles to define her, Serenay made a deliberate transition into acting. She invested in training and focused on developing emotional range and character depth. Her early television roles built momentum, but her career reached a turning point with her portrayal of Mira Baylis in Medcezir. The series became a cultural phenomenon, and Serenay's performance resonated strongly with audiences, showcasing vulnerability, strength, and emotional realism. Instead of staying within conventional roles, Serenay consciously expanded her range. She took on bold and psychologically demanding characters, most notably in Fi, where her portrayal of Sura challenged traditional storytelling norms. The role marked a new phase in her career, proving her willingness to take creative risks and explore complex emotional territory. By 2026, Serenay Sarıkaya is regarded as a fearless and dependable lead actress. Directors value her intensity and discipline, audiences connect with her authenticity, and critics recognize her ability to carry layered, character-driven narratives. Her career choices reflect courage, intention, and a clear understanding of longevity in a rapidly evolving industry. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects independence and balance. She prioritizes physical well-being, creative freedom, and emotional clarity, while maintaining firm boundaries around her private life. She remains socially visible yet selective, choosing depth over constant exposure. Her fashion sense mirrors her bold personality. Serenay is known for confident, statement-making looks that blend modern elegance with artistic edge. Whether attending international fashion events or appearing in editorial campaigns, she carries a presence that feels powerful, refined, and unmistakably her own. While her personal life has often attracted public interest, she remains selective about what she shares. She consistently redirects attention toward her work and creative evolution. Within the industry, she is often described as focused, professional, and deeply committed to understanding the psychological layers of her characters. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects years of consistent work across television, digital series, endorsements, and major global brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has built strong international recognition and lasting industry credibility through strategic and courageous decisions. What many fans find striking is her depth beyond the spotlight. She values self-reflection, artistic exploration, and emotional truth, carefully selecting projects that challenge both herself and her audience. This thoughtful approach continues to shape her performances and distinguish her from short-lived trends. Serenay Sarıkaya's journey is defined by transformation rather than repetition. From beauty queen to dramatic powerhouse, from mainstream television to boundary-pushing digital storytelling, her rise reflects confidence, discipline, and fearless growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern Turkish stardom, bold, influential, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a background of fame, yet something about her was always quietly captivating. With a natural blend of elegance, emotional control, and expressive screen presence, Burcu Özberk didn't rush into the spotlight. She built her career step by step, transforming strong academic training into a respected and enduring acting journey. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on December 12, 1989, in Eskişehir, Turkey, Burcu Özberk's journey began far from the fast pace of television fame. From an early age, she showed a strong inclination toward the arts, eventually choosing a disciplined and classical route into acting. She graduated from Hacettepe University Ankara State Conservatory, one of Turkey's most respected institutions, where she developed a solid foundation in theater, performance technique, and emotional expression. Her transition into television came through supporting roles in historical and drama series, where she gained valuable on-set experience and industry exposure. These early projects shaped her professionalism and patience, preparing her for larger opportunities that would later define her career. Burcu's breakthrough arrived when she stepped into romantic comedy, a genre that revealed her natural charisma and timing. Her portrayal of Aşk Mantık in Afilli Aşk brought her widespread recognition and strong audience connection. The series became a major success, highlighting her ability to balance humor, sincerity, and emotional warmth with ease. Rather than remaining within a single genre, Burcu consciously expanded her range. She took on more grounded and emotionally layered roles in projects such as Gelsin Hayat Bildici Gibi, allowing her to explore maturity, resilience, and inner conflict on screen. Each role marked a clear evolution, demonstrating her willingness to grow beyond comfort and expectation. By 2026, Burcu Özberk is regarded as a reliable and versatile lead actress. Directors value her preparation and consistency, audiences appreciate her authenticity, and critics recognize her steady development across genres. Her career choices reflect balance, intention, and a clear understanding of long-term presence in the industry. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects calm discipline. She maintains a balanced routine focused on physical fitness, mental clarity, and personal space. She avoids unnecessary exposure while remaining engaged with her audience through meaningful and professional appearances. Her fashion sense mirrors her personality, elegant, modern, and confident without excess. Burcu is known for refined silhouettes and tasteful styling, moving comfortably between high-fashion events and understated everyday looks, always maintaining a composed and authentic image. While public curiosity around her personal life exists, she remains selective and private. She consistently redirects attention toward her work and creative growth. Within the industry, she is often described as focused, respectful, and deeply committed to understanding her characters beyond the surface. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects years of consistent work across television and brand collaborations. More than financial achievement, she has built credibility through reliability, discipline, and thoughtful career decisions. What many fans may overlook is the strength of her theatrical foundation. Her conservatory training continues to influence her performances, bringing emotional precision and controlled depth that quietly elevate her roles. Burcu Özberk's journey is defined by steady progress rather than sudden hype. From formal education to mainstream success, from romantic leads to emotionally grounded characters, her rise reflects patience, discipline, and intentional growth. As she moves forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern Turkish stardom, refined, grounded, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.